Good morning. Today we're going to be learning about a fuel problem for your Volkswagen. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Ignoring an unexpected engine stall on your 2024 or 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan or Atlas is a guaranteed way to destroy your confidence on the road and potentially your engine's high-pressure fuel system because of a hidden failure inside the fuel pump. This isn't just a minor inconvenience or a new car bug that you can wait until your next oil change to address. We are going to reveal exactly what is physically breaking inside your fuel delivery system and why a tiny seal ring is the difference between a smooth commute and a dead engine at 60 miles per hour. I'll also break down the specific diagnostic codes to look for and the actual cost to save your vehicle if you're outside the safety net. The vehicles caught in this specific crosshair are the 2024 through 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan, the Volkswagen Atlas, and the Atlas Cross Sport. These are brand new vehicles that should be at the peak of their reliability, yet owners are reporting a terrifying loss of power in the middle of traffic. Drivers are noticing a very specific set of symptoms that start long before the engine actually quits. You might find that when you're at the gas station, the fuel nozzle clicks off every few seconds as if the tank is full when you know it's empty. You might also notice a faint, lingering scent of raw gasoline around the rear wheel well, or even inside the cabin after a fill-up. The most dangerous symptom, however, is a sudden hiccup or hesitation when you're accelerating onto an on-ramp or maintaining highway speeds. If your Tiguan or Atlas is struggling, your dashboard might light up with a check engine line, specifically throwing codes like P0087 or P0441. Code P0087 indicates that the fuel rail pressure is too low, meaning the engine is starving for the juice it needs to maintain combustion. Code P0441 points toward an incorrect flow in the evaporative emission system, which happens when the failing pump starts pushing fuel or vapors where they don't belong. These codes are the car's way of screaming that the mechanical chain of events is already failing. Volkswagen has identified the root cause in a pending federal safety recall, and it all comes down to the physics of the suction jet pump. This pump is located inside the fuel tank, and its job is to move fuel from the tank into the reservoir, where the main electric pump can send it to the engine. The manufacturer's design failed because of a nuance in the manual assembly process at the supplier level. During assembly, the seal rings inside these suction jet pumps were reportedly installed with excessive tension. Think of a rubber band that is stretched to its absolute limit. It might look fine at first, but the material is under constant internal stress. Over time, the vibration of the vehicle and the chemical nature of the fuel cause these pre-damaged seals to fail completely. When that seal fails, the suction jet pump can no longer create the pressure differential needed to move fuel. This is particularly problematic in the Atlas and Tiguan because they often use saddle-shaped fuel tanks designed to clear the drivetrain components. If the suction jet pump fails to transfer fuel from one side of the saddle to the pump side, your engine will starve for gas even if your fuel gauge says you still have half a tank left. This creates a mechanical vacuum where the primary fuel pump is sucking air, leading to an immediate lean condition in the cylinders. You might assume that a stalling engine is just a glitch in the start-stop system, or perhaps a bad batch of winter blend gasoline. However, the reality is a mechanical breakdown of the evaporative integrity of your fuel system. If you ignore the fuel smell and the stalling, you risk a dry run scenario for your high-pressure fuel pump located on the engine. That pump relies on the lubrication provided by the fuel itself. Without it, the internal metal components can grind together, sending metal shards into your fuel injectors. The repair direction for this issue is a complete replacement of the fuel pump or the specific suction jet pump assembly with a redesigned unit. This isn't a simple plug-and-play job because it involves opening the fuel tank, which is located under the rear seat or the cargo floor. Technicians have to use a specialized fuel tank lock ring wrench to safely remove the pump without creating sparks or damaging the plastic tank threads. They must then drain the basket of the pump carefully to avoid spilling raw fuel onto your interior carpets, which would leave a permanent odor. Owners on forums and platforms like Reddit have described the frustration of being told parts are on back order while their brand new SUV sits at the dealership. Some report the car stalling multiple times in a single trip, only to have the dealer unable to replicate the issue because the seal hasn't fully ruptured yet. This creates a ghost-in-the-machine feeling where you never know if the car will make it through an intersection. It is highly recommended that you use a basic OBDI scan tool to check for those P0087 codes yourself, so you have proof of the failure when you arrive at the service desk. Now, let's talk about the financial reality of this failure, as this is where the stakes get very high for any owner. Because this is a safety recall, the repair is technically free of charge at any authorized Volkswagen dealership. However, if your vehicle was somehow excluded, or if you're dealing with a similar fuel pump failure out of warranty, the cost cliff is steep. The fuel pump assembly alone for these modern Volkswagens is a complex piece of engineering that typically retails for a significant amount. If you were to take a 2024 Atlas to an independent shop for this repair, you would be looking at an estimated total of roughly $850 to $1,100, including labor and parts. If you went to a dealership and paid the full retail rate without the recall coverage, that estimate frequently jumps into the $1,400 to $1,800
Well, how much
range.
is the pump?
Compare that to the cost of a complete engine fuel system overhaul, which can exceed $5,000 if the pump sends metal debris through the lines, and the free recall repair becomes the most valuable maintenance you'll ever perform. Make sure you call your dealer with your VIN ready to confirm your spot on the list for the redesigned parts.
He's happy.
Have you noticed your Tiguan or Atlas acting strangely at the gas pump or stalling out when you least expect it? Tell us about your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay ahead of the next major recall.
That is it, guys. Tell me what happened to your Tiguan or whatever it's called down below in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.